बाय द वे ये स्नैप के 99% एरर्स है, इज वन ऑफ द स्नैप टॉपर। बट उससे भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग ये है, बट देन इवेंचुअली जब LKI नहीं हुआ, राइट, तो वर यू लाइक लिटिल अपसेट कि यार LKI नहीं हुआ, फिर मैं SIB पुणे जाऊं ना जाऊं? कुछ सिमिलरिटीज लगी तुम्हें? ओके, व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस फॉर स्नैप एस्पायरेंट? अभी स्नैप आने वाला है, लाइक कपल ऑफ डेज में स्नैप होने ही वाला है। सो व्हाट्स योर एडवाइस टू स्नैप एस्पायरेंट्स? हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज मेरे साथ है ग्लेन। बाय द वे ये स्नैप के 99% एरर्स है, इज वन ऑफ द स्नैप टॉपर। बट उससे भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग ये है, ग्लेन ने जो ग्रेजुएशन किया है ना, उसमें इंडिया के टॉप 100 बच्चे ही लिए जाते हैं, एंड ही वाज वन ऑफ दैट। एंड आई थिंक वो जो प्रोग्राम है, इट्स रन बाय अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी। सो यार, आई वुड लव टू नो योर स्टोरी कि ये कैसे चालू, बिकॉज तुम्हारा ग्रेजुएशन भी काफी अनकन्वेंशनल है। तो टॉप 100 के बारे में पहले बता दो।
So I did my bachelor's in computer science engineering, post which I did the Young India Fellowship.
Young India Fellowship,
yes.
Okay, nice.
So it is run by Ashoka University. It's their flagship program. So this is where I actually studied 30 different subjects ranging from history, finance,
Wow.
law,
Nice.
psychology, all of these subjects. I had really great networking opportunities with mentors from big level industries. All of these things was very in depth there. So that is what I had done, and post which I actually worked for almost 2.5 years as a manager at Randstad India.
Wow.
And then right now I'm studying marketing here at SIBM Pune.
फैंटास्टिक। सो आई एम वेरी श्योर जब तूने ये कोशिश की कि मुझे MBA करनी है, आई एम वेरी श्योर SIBM पुणे मस्ट हैव नॉट बीन द टॉप नॉच ऑप्शन, बिकॉज हर एक बच्चा देखता है कि मुझे IIMS मिले। सो क्या क्या कन्वर्ट्स आए, क्या क्या IIMS को आपने टारगेट किया? कैन यू टेल मी लिटिल बिट अबाउट दैट स्टोरी?
So I actually was looking towards an IIM specific in the start itself. So I had actually thought about majorly getting into all the IIMs such as LKI and other new and baby IIMs. And I even converted new and baby IIMs as well.
Nice.
At that time, I didn't have the thought that, okay, SIBM was something that I wanted to go. But then once I started researching about SIBM Pune, I thought that, okay, this is also a very good opportunity that I have at that particular point. Although I couldn't convert LKI and I, but then SIBM seemed like a place where I could actually do great based on the research that I had done and the things that
new and baby IIMs convert हो चुके थे पूरे के पूरे। उससे तो SIBM Pune is any time better option. And ये जो कह रहा है ना, मुझे लगता है ये सही है, because whenever you start your MBA का journey, what first thing pops up in the mind is IIMs. No doubt about that. And I'm very sure ये तुम्हारे साथ भी होगा, वो 3 लेटर होते हैं। फिर then we don't know, like IIM Sirmaur and Sambalpur and all that stuff, which is fair. But then eventually जब LKI नहीं हुआ, right, तो were you like little upset कि यार LKI नहीं हुआ, फिर मैं SIB पुणे जाऊं ना जाऊं? कुछ सिमिलरिटीज लगी तुम्हें?
So at one point I did feel like, okay, what was lacking in me? Where did I fall short? But then once I started looking into SIBM Pune, the curriculum that it had, the research that I had actually done about the alumni, the student-driven culture, all of these things, I was really impressed. Even the roles that are offered here at SIBM Pune was similar to the ones that was coming in LKNI as well. So I really,
for example, if you can give me an idea.
So if you look at the sales and marketing roles
because
as well.
ये tall claim है, by the way, so I want to get little bit in detail. So बताओ.
So when we look at the sales and marketing roles that come here, the companies that come here, all of these are the same companies, the same roles that come in these big IIMs as well as consulting roles as well. So we do have big consulting firms that do come to our campus as well and offer these front end roles as well. So compared to what comes in IIMs, even SIBM Pune had these opportunities, and due to my research and seeing what I'm here, being part of this culture here, right, I do know that it is something that is very true, and I'm glad that I actually chose SIBM Pune as well.
Yeah, but again, you know, you cannot compare it 100% with LKI, no doubt about that. But हाँ, ये मैं मान सकता हूँ कि कुछ कंपनीज है, कुछ प्रोफाइल्स है, वो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आती है। जैसे अगर मैं फाइनेंस के बारे में बात करूँ, सो डेफिनेटली नो इंदौर में जो फ्रंट एंड वाले रोल्स है वो यहाँ पे आते हैं, कोईकोड में जो आते हैं वो यहाँ पे आते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि फाइनेंस कोईकोड से थोड़ा बेटर होगा यहाँ पे कुछ मामले में। बट अगर आपको मान लो प्राइवेट इक्विटी VC चलना है, तो शायद से यू कैन लुक आउट फॉर दी LKI। बट बाकी मुझे मोस्टली सिमिलरिटीज लगती है। MBBs यहाँ पे आती है, फिर JP मॉर्गन है, मॉर्गन स्टैनले है, गोल्डमैन सैक्स है, एंड सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग के लिए तो आप पूछो ही मत, इट्स अ मैक्का। सो उसमें कोई लोड ही नहीं है। So you are saying that कि okay, if at all somebody misses on LKI या फिर you know other top notch Bs को like MD and IFT, SIBM Pune can give you that sort of an exposure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
also about what I had personally done. I had spoken to a lot of alumni who had passed out from SIBM Pune. I
Okay.
actually saw where their trajectory was, from where they had started and where they reached after being part of SIBM Pune. And I was really inspired by that. And that was
Nice.
something that I really wanted to emulate as well. So although I couldn't convert those things, I realized that I didn't lose anything in a big perspective as well. In a grand perspective, I didn't lose anything. So, and given my point in my career, I knew that what I really wanted was an in-depth learning, in-depth curriculum where I could actually grind myself, put myself in the shoes of industry experts, learn from them as well. So that is something that where I felt that SIBM Pune would give me that opportunity. And I've been here for the past 4-5 months, and it has not yet disappointed me yet. I have actually
Fantastic.
seen industry leaders come talk to me. I've seen mentorship opportunities with industry leaders as well as our seniors as well. So it's a very good culture that I've experienced right now. So I'm glad that I'm here, and it's great. Great.
Okay, perfect. So, if you can give us a little idea that how's life in SIBM Pune? Is it as rigorous as the IIMs या फिर chill है यहाँ पे? Because Hilltop campus है, greenery है, you know, how's it?
So we do have academic rigor. We do have a lot of classes that keep going on. We do have tests. We do have all of these things that are there. We also have a lot of case comms that we participate in, and we have actually won a lot of case comms as well. Whereas we do have the beautiful campus that is there.
Yeah.
We do have our free time that we get to chill. We do play a lot of sports. One special thing, because our campus is student driven, all the councils, all the clubs, everything is run by students. So any event that is organized here is done wholly and solely by the students itself. So
Fantastic.
being part of that culture where you work in that depth, where you work on the ground in these aspects, builds your MBA journey as well. So it's not just academics, it's also that feel and grind where you work on the ground. So that's something that is great.
So another question, like you from liberal arts background,
yes,
right? And I know बहुत ज़्यादा diversity है SIBM पुणे में, zoology वाले हैं, psychology वाले हैं, humanities वाले हैं, and then you know people like you, like from liberal arts. तो यहाँ पे कोप अप करना इजी हो जाता है या फिर यू फील लाइक यू आर लेफ्ट आउट? हाउ इज इट?
So not really. I wouldn't say I feel left out because I come from such a background. I personally have been very creative growing up as well. I'm someone who enjoys music. I like to read as well. So being in an environment where I'm surrounded by curriculum, academia is something that I thrive in. So I've never felt left out. It's something that I feel motivates me to study more, give my more. I wanted to explore the business side as well. So that's why being here, I feel that I've been able to grow as an individual as well.
फैंटास्टिक. माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. आपके जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होंगे जिन्होंने अनकन्वेंशनल कुछ तो करा है, मे बी मास्टर्स में कुछ अनकन्वेंशनल करा होगा या फिर अनकन्वेंशनल उन्होंने अपने यूजी में करा होगा, राइट? क्या ये बच्चा लोग आगे जाके एमबीए कर सकता है, और अगर कर सकता है तो क्या करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज ये लोग देख सकते हैं?
Sir, I feel an MBA degree is for everyone, whether they come from a conventional background or from an unconventional background. So even if you have a weird background or if you're coming from a different place itself, so an MBA would actually give you the skills that can help you grow in your career as well. So I've seen myself grow both personally as well as professionally as well, being part of an MBA program.
Okay.
So everyone who wants to do an MBA should go for an MBA, particularly from a great university, a great institution where they get that sort of learning. So yes.
Okay, what's your advice for Snap aspirant? अभी Snap आने वाला है, like couple of days में Snap होने ही वाला है. So what's your advice to Snap aspirants?
So my advice to Snap aspirants is whatever part of your journey you're in your preparation right now, give it your all. Don't feel burdened or don't feel disheartened by whatever is happening around you. Study well, revise well, give a lot of mocks. Try to give all 3 attempts at Snap, and you should be doing great. All the best to everyone.
Thank you so very much, Glenn. Nice talking to you, man. Great profile, great efforts. And guys, do hit that like button for Glenn and share this video with a lot of your friends. Thank you so very much.